Musa Mseleku and Makumalo, they were together because they want to shoot Utando Nestembu. Without shooting Utando Nestembu, they were not together. It looks like Musa Mseleku and Makumalo are the producers of Utando Nestembu than other wives. Are those people, the two of them, they start that program. They say we have to go to DSTV and to have got an access with that program. So other wives, the only thing they were doing is on cameras, but Makumalo is on control. So that's why Musa Mseleku says Makumalo is engine of that family. If Makumalo, she says Utando Nestembu can stop, they have to stop that program. You know that those DSTV's people, they tolerate Makumalo because Makumalo is in control. Makumalo have got more shares. Why Mayeni and Matsele, they hate Makumalo? I think Makumalo, she is getting more money on Utando Nestembu, more money than other wives because she is the producer of Utando Nestembu. So that's why Musa Mseleku, when it comes to shoot, because he want money, you understand it? So when it comes, they want to shoot that program, he can call Makumalo. He can't shoot Utando Nestembu without Makumalo. And Makumalo can't leave Utando Nestembu because it's her program. It was the one who maybe will bring a to say to Musa Mseleku, we have to go to DSTV, who came with an idea to open that program. So there is no need now to chase Makumalo.